Are you ready to learn how to do EFT tapping on yourself so that you get amazing results? Well, welcome to the EFT Learn How to Tap series. This is a DIY tapping system so that you can really learn how to tap properly on yourself. My name is Stephanie Wood, and I'm an EFT tapping trainer and practitioner for more than 20 years. And I created this online program quite a few years ago in 2015, and I really felt like I wanted to share it with the world for free. So this is why I'm putting it out there on YouTube, and you can learn how to do this now. In this getting started video, I wanted to just let you know who this course is for, why learning this will change your life in powerful, positive ways, what you'll be learning, how to go through this course for best results, and where and when you may need support. I'm so excited that you want to learn how to do EFT tapping. I'm really passionate about this and have been for a very long time. So what exactly is this course, and what is the DIY tapping system? Well, first of all, it's a way that you can learn how to do EFT tapping on yourself. This is not a course that's meant to teach you how to do EFT tapping on anyone else. There are trainings for that I highly recommend taking. So back in 2015, I'd been an EFT practitioner for a really long time, and I'd become a trainer. And I was finding that my clients in between sessions, even though they wanted to tap on themselves, they didn't always know what to say when they tapped. I talked to other EFT tapping practitioners and found that even they didn't do a lot of self-tapping. They often did sessions as exchange partners. And I realized that this was a great opportunity to create something where people could have a step-by-step process of how to find those words to get the results that they wanted. And with the help of a couple of other EFT practitioners, we came up with a really solid system so that people could finally figure this out for themselves. And this course, the DIY tapping system, was created. So this existed as an online course for years, and it was really my most popular course. And I finally realized that I wanted to share it with more people. I thought it was time to get it out there to the world. The online course is free now, and also I moved a bunch of the videos here to YouTube. I've seen amazing things happen with EFT for myself and for my clients. And I think it's time that more and more people know how to use this, and not just as a tap-along video. This whole course is delivered in small, digestible bites so that you can come back and continue on with it after each section. You'll be able to get tapping more effectively than you ever have in just over an hour using the DIY tapping worksheet. And that's just the first section. Who is this course for? It's mainly for beginning tappers, particularly if you've never tapped before, but also for all of you who have tapped along with videos, maybe for a few days, maybe for years, and still haven't gotten those results you want. If you're ready to go deeper with the work on yourself, this is a course you're going to love. It's also for you if you've worked with a practitioner or you've read a book on EFT and you want something to help you create those statements that help you to get at the issue in a more meaningful way. Why learn how to do EFT tapping on yourself? Well, if you've tapped along with videos before, you might find that you get superficial results. You get relief in the moment. But if you're looking for more permanent solutions, these methods are awesome. If you're brand new to tapping, get ready to have your mind blown. EFT is so powerful and so gentle that I can't wait to hear from you to see what results you're getting. This course is also the solution to the problem. I don't know what to say when I tap. I hear that all the time. EFT practitioners hear that all the time. This simple method gives you a very elegant solution to that issue. Because this course is delivered in a very step-by-step format, it's easy to learn. It won't take much time at all, and you'll probably have fun in the process. There is a lot to learn about EFT tapping. This is not a comprehensive course at all, and I highly recommend taking a training if you want to learn more. And I want to mention that what you learn in this course on occasion may be a little bit different from the teaching of some of the certifying bodies like EFT International, because this system is created specifically for self-tapping, and it's been adapted by me after years of experience. It's not the right or wrong way to tap, but it's one of many ways of tapping, and it really works. Here's what you'll be learning in this little course. As I mentioned, you'll learn what to say when you tap, how to break down big issues into tappable pieces, which is crucial to how you get those permanent results. You'll also learn how to get to the root of an issue on your own and how to deal with complex issues. You'll learn the foundational concepts in tapping that will make your tapping practice work. You'll learn some common pitfalls to avoid and what to do when you're stuck. There's a whole troubleshooting section. You'll learn how to test to make sure your issue is fully cleared and a way to track your results and your progress. Basically, you will learn how to effectively self-tap for so many problems, and there are resource sheets and worksheets to guide you every step along the way. Let's talk about how to go through this course. Since I've pulled the videos and the audios from the online course, which you can go and access anytime, it's free, and you'll find all the resources, the worksheets, everything is there if you'd like to just go straight there. But for all of it that I've pulled here onto YouTube, I've separated into 3 sections. The blue section is where you get started. You begin with the introduction, which is important to watch, and then just follow the playlist through the steps so that you get tapping. You'll need to download the DIY tapping worksheet to work along with those steps, and it's available in the description. You'll learn how to close a session and then also an optional important step. The next section, the purple one, is all about the foundations of EFT tapping. It will transform your tapping practice and your understanding of what's happening as you're doing the work. And the final section is the green one, which is basically a troubleshooting section. When you're not quite getting the results you want or you feel stuck, there's a whole section to help you with those kind of issues. There are some items that exist in the online course that are not showing up here on YouTube. For example, there are some sample videos of working through an issue with the DIY tapping sheet. There's examples of how to use the memory processing worksheet, and there's some resource guides in there that are really important and helpful. So I recommend going to check that out as well. Like I said, it's free. I can't recommend enough how important it is to work with a qualified EFT tapping practitioner, someone who's been certified through EFT International or EFT Universe. It's important to connect with an experienced EFT tapping practitioner and to not go to places where you know they might be a little too big for you. So that's it for this video. I'm so excited that you're starting on this journey. I think you will be amazed at what starts to unfold. Feel free to post any questions you have in the comments. I'll be sure to get back to you. And as you're going through the videos in the course, please remember to like them, leave comments, subscribe. I'm so happy that you're here, and thank you for watching.